Well, this restaurant looks like it's been closed for years. Let's go inside. I have an idea. Since nobody owns this place, I will turn it into a burger restaurant. Oh, here comes my first customer. Welcome to the burger restaurant. How may I help you?
Can I please have a job here?
Of course. You can have one here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Welcome to the burger restaurant. How may I help you?
Can I please have a job here?
You sure can.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh look, here comes a customer. Welcome to the burger restaurant. How may we help you?
I would like a burger cooked medium rare, please.
Here's your burger.
Thanks for the burger. I'll eat it right now. Oh God, that burger was undercooked. I'll have to go to the bathroom. Vector, Balthazar Bratt, and Al Macho, how dare you give me an undercooked burger and make me sick? That's it. I am calling your parents about this.
El Macho, how dare you open up a burger restaurant and get Flopsy Railway Productions sick by giving him an undercooked burger along with Vector and Balthazar Bratt. That's it. You are grounded for 8,632,586 months.
When we get home, you will go to your room and do nothing. Let's get in the car right now.
Oh, Vector, I cannot believe that you opened up a burger restaurant and made Flopsy Railway Productions sick by giving him an undercooked burger along with Balthazar Bratt and El Macho. That's it. You are grounded for 7,968,574 years. When we get home, you will go to your room. Let's get in the car right now.
Balthazar Bratt, how dare you open up a burger restaurant and get Flopsy Railway Productions sick along with El Macho and Vector? That's it. You are grounded for 752,657 years.
When we get home, you will be going to your room. Let's get in the car right now.